Hey guys, let me show you what is rules for your availability. So rules for availability is a professional feature that is available only for Workee Plus and professional customers. And the way it works and why it is so professional, so special, is because it allows you to create some special rules, some complex rules for your availability to make sure you are managing your time in the best way possible. For example, with Workee rules, you can select minimum notice to prevent unexpected bookings for the meeting. You can select a rule to keep calendar open for the next specific days. For example, you can select I want to my clients to book me only in the next following 7 days, and your customers won't be able to book you for the future like 7 days plus. Then set up rule to avoid last meeting reschedule. You can set up a rule for 4 hours. It means that your customers won't be able to reschedule meeting with you on a short notice. You can also set up a rule to avoid refunding because of last minute cancellation. You can create a rule that will say your customers, hey, if you are canceling a meeting like 12 hours before our call, sorry, I will not refund because this is my policy. You can also be very clear about your policy and value your time more. You can set up buffer time between meetings just to keep some small break for your time. For example, if you have meeting that ends on 1 p.m. and you have break for 10 minutes, it means that Workee will keep 10 minutes for you so you can save some time for yourself. And limit of meetings per day. This feature is very usable by our busy customers because it allows you to keep your schedule healthy. You can set up and you can say, hey, I want to have maximum 7 meetings a day. And it means that if you still have some available time slots, but you have this limit for 7 meetings a day, it means that your customers won't be able to book you for the day anymore. So hopefully that makes sense. Thank you.